If you want to move from a situationship to a relationship, here's how to do it. Communicate clearly. Express your feelings and what you want from the relationship. Honesty is crucial. Set boundaries. If they are willing to commit, great. If not, it might be time to consider moving on. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. Converting a situationship into a relationship requires mutual effort. Both parties need to be on the same page. Ask yourself, do they show genuine interest in your life? Are they willing to make plans for the future? Do they introduce you to friends and family? Dealing with a situationship can be tough. Here are some tips. Stay true to yourself. Don't compromise your values for the sake of ambiguity. Ambiguity refers to a lack of clarity or certainty in a situation. In the context of relationships, it means that the boundaries and expectations between partners are not clearly defined, leading to confusion and mixed signals. This can result in one or both people feeling unsure about where they stand or where the relationship is headed. Keep your options open. Until you have clarity, don't close off other potential relationships. If you decide that moving on is the best option, here's how to get over a situationship. Accept the reality. Acknowledge your feelings and accept that it didn't work out. Lean on support. Talk to friends and family about your experience. Focus on yourself. Engage in activities that make you happy and build your confidence. Sometimes you won't get closure. In such cases, create your own closure. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Move forward. Focus on your personal growth and future goals. Walking away from a situationship is challenging, but sometimes necessary. Here's how to do it. Be honest. Let them know why you're leaving, because there's no way to show someone how to make your situationship fall in love with you. Stay firm. Don't let emotions sway you back into the ambiguity. When you're in a situationship, it's easy to get caught up in your feelings and hope for the best, but this can often lead you back into the same cycle of uncertainty. It's crucial to remain steadfast in your decision to seek clarity and commitment. Remind yourself why you set boundaries in the first place and stay focused on your needs and goals. Emotional attachments can cloud your judgment, making it tempting to settle for less than you deserve. Stay strong, prioritize your well-being, and don't allow fleeting emotions to pull you back into a situation that lacks clear direction and commitment. Don't let emotions sway you back into the ambiguity. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive people. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos on relationship advice and dating tips. To move from a situationship to a relationship, ensure you both want the same thing, have mutual goals for the relationship, are willing to work, commit to making the necessary changes. Breaking up from a situationship can feel just as intense as a traditional breakup. Here's how to cope. Give yourself time. Healing takes time, so be patient with yourself. Seek therapy. If needed, talk to a therapist to process your emotions. Engage in self-care. Prioritize activities that nurture your well-being. If you find yourself wondering how to get out of a situationship into a relationship, it starts with honest and open communication about your needs and expectations. Sometimes you may have to accept that it's time to move on, especially if the other person isn't ready to commit. Learning how to get over a situationship without closure can be challenging, but creating your own closure by writing down your thoughts and feelings can help. Additionally, understanding how to get over a situationship ending involves acknowledging your emotions and focusing on personal growth. Ultimately, knowing how to go from a situationship to a relationship requires mutual effort and a willingness to set clear boundaries and goals together. While you can't force someone to fall in love, you can foster a deeper connection by being genuine. Authenticity builds trust and deeper emotional bonds. Showing appreciation. Regularly express your appreciation for them. Moving on from a situationship involves acceptance. Acknowledge the end and give yourself permission to move forward. New beginnings. Focus on new opportunities and relationships that align with your goals. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. The ultimate solution to your situationship problem. The key lies in clear communication and setting firm boundaries. By being upfront about your feelings and expectations, you can either move towards a committed relationship or decide to move on with clarity and confidence. Remember, you deserve a relationship that values you and meets your needs.